All right, so I wanted to introduce you to something I've been working on for quite a while, and that is the ability to implement Gann's time factor, which he used in making his annual forecasts right here on TradingView with a simple push of a button. So you can see right now we're looking at Ethereum, and it's telling us that the greatest match year, meaning the cycle that it's going to replay, is based on 2020. Okay, so the way I can adjust the cycle as well. So let's say I apply it. Okay, I can change the scale of the present market, and I can also normalize the scale from the cycle in the past, right? And with that ability, you can actually see some of the swings better, right? Depending on the price action. Sometimes it's going to be clear right when you apply it. Sometimes you're going to have to normalize the scale. So the right side is going to be the scale of the past cycle. So in this case, 2020, and the left side that's going to be the scale of the current price, the current market. So 2025. Okay, so for ETH, we can see we can just hover over the date. We can expect, possibly a little bit higher or a range here into August, down to the end of August, and then possibly a move higher into early September. But really, we see that the curve is bringing us down here into the end of September, and then actually we should see a bull run coming after, according to this cycle. Now, as the indicator takes new information with new daily bars, it's also going to adjust itself. Okay, let's take a look at some other markets, for example. So if I were to plot euro dollar here, I'm always going to use FXCM because they have the most data. So I'll click on FXCM's quote. Okay, and you can see we are at 2003. That's what it wants to show us, right? And if we line up the most recent swings, you'll see that that's what it's done. And according to this 2003 year, it is expecting distribution to occur and for price to drop down into late August, early September. Okay, I have some markings here. Let me remove those. Now, the indicator also has the ability for those that learn the time factor. You could have more than one curve year, one year that you're looking to study, plotted against the present price action. So you can actually go to the settings and click lock a specific past year, and I can put, let's say 1999, great year. And I can see 1999 against 2025 as well. And if I want to just bring it back to what the indicator wants is showing us as the best year, I can just turn that off and put this back to 0. Okay, I can also change the color scheme and all that in the settings as well. So right now we're looking at euro dollar to come down, as I said. It also works on stocks. So if I want to look, I don't know, let's say Apple. Okay, look how quick it loads up, and it's showing me that we are in this cycle. Now you see how we kind of overshot, right? But we're looking at the time. So this cycle this 2010 cycle is the best cycle so far playing out, and we can expect, a move back down into late August here before a continued move up. Again, the indicator will take new information through daily bars and then readjust itself. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Again, I can adjust the scale here to the left. The left price scale is going to be current price. The right side is going to be the past cycle, and this way I can move around and whatever looks cleaner to me, I can adjust it that way. Okay. So if you'd like more information on on how this works, or you would like to subscribe to be able to get all these yearly forecasts, at the push of a button, you can send me an email or you can use the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed it. Speak soon.